Okay, this Ford Taurus, it has a whole lot of excessive, has excessive amount of vibration, and it's like I can hear gears grinding, some type of metal to metal grinding at low speeds. Come to find out, the transfer case and the transmission, it's a lot of play in between both of them. So I just replaced the PTU, which is the transfer case. After probably about a week of test driving it, all of a sudden I could hear a loud grinding noise, no leaks. So when I found out what was going on, what do they call it? Actually, it's this right here. This right here is part of the mount between the transmission, the PTU, and the subframe. Anyway, when I put these bolts in, I didn't put any thread lock on it, so the excessive vibration backed all the screws out. I backed this screw out with my hand. I just turned it with my hand, and it's like 3 more bolts down there that's exactly like that. So everything under there is just loose. I gotta take all the screws out and put thread lock on them, tighten them down, let the thread lock set in, and I don't know what exactly they call it, anyway, when it dries. So I'm about to do that and see what's going on. Take it for a test drive, and everything's mounted up right. I know I did it right, but let me get up under here and see what's going on.